Let's talk about step 5 out of 10 for the ultimate guide to Google Business Profile Optimization for solar companies. Here we're going to look at the services and products section, which is a space where most people ignore, that Google's looking for even more juice and reasons to serve you up to prospective searchers. This is a place where you can really stand apart because most people are not doing it. When it comes to the reasons why we do it, it's pretty simple. If you don't tell people and you don't tell Google what it is you have to offer, they're simply not going to know. And when it comes to the different types of brands and equipment and things that you're installing on people's homes, the more information, the better it's going to be for people to choose you over the competition. So brand names are a really big, important piece here because people are already doing some of their research and they're looking for the company that can give them the thing that they've been looking for and researching online. So some different services and things that you could include on your Google business profile would be things like solar panel installation, solar panel repair, if you do that, commercial, if you do that, residential, if you do that, and even something like a home energy audit. Those are things that people would actually be searching for. Those are services that you might actually have that you could include on your Google business profile. And so you have up to 300 characters to use on that section, which is not as much as the full Google business description like we discussed in step number 4, but that's a lot of space you can work with, and you can add as many different services as you actually have to this profile. So the more the merrier, but it has to make sense for what you're actually offering. Now, another bonus tip, if this information also exists on your website and it's reflected in the Google business profile, you're going to get extra juice out of this. So that's a pro tip for you. When it comes to the products, this is where I think it's really exciting for solar companies and Google My Business for solar, right? That's what they used to call it, Google My Business. So with the products, you want to include different panels, brand names, and pieces of equipment that you actually install. So this is where it's really exciting because when somebody's doing a search for something like Panasonic solar panels, or SunPower or whatever it is, if you have this on your Google business profile, then it's possible for you to be found. It doesn't guarantee that you're found, but it makes it possible that you're found for that related search. So like we've mentioned in other sections, more is generally better. It just has to be congruent with what you're actually offering. So don't put a bunch of brands and panels and things on here, things that you're not actually installing, because it won't match the search when somebody comes to you looking for these particular things. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Make sure to go in the description below this video and grab all your free downloads. If you like this video, you'll probably like the rest of them on our YouTube channel. Go ahead and check them out, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.